back. I've got another unboxing here. It's a tiny box, obviously. This was something I was expecting from Taiwan. Very cheap, so it was worth the risk, I thought. So let's open it up, find out what it is. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. We'll see how we go. Let's have a look. Now this is cool. This is actually the Japanese symbol that they have for the learner's license. I used to live in Japan, and you'd see this quite a lot. They also had one for the old folks as well, which was a teardrop with autumn colours. But a lot of the people complained, saying that was discriminatory. So discriminatory. You know what I mean? Whatever. So yeah, so that's just a nice little touch. An air freshener. It's kind of cool. Very JDM, if you will. These are exactly what I thought were. These are the 3D shadow light, 86 welcome lights, I guess. Let's have a look here. So these are plug and play. These aren't waterproof by the look of it. So yeah, so factory replacement. It's a really nice day today, so I thought I'd just get this over and done with. It's going to rain for a week straight after this, so I'll just unpack these and then I'll show you. So, yeah, these guys. So basically, we've got a little plastic tool here. This should be fine. I'm sorry, it's hard to frame in the camera. We're going to pop off a little corner down in here, and yeah, we'll get to it. I got a bit distracted today too, because I realised the sills can pop off quite quickly, and yeah, I ended up polishing and started cleaning all under there as well. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get to it. Probably ruin the framing there. There's supposed to be a notch just under here, and it slipped right in. Simple. Well, that's good news, it's working. Not sure if you can see that on my hand there. Yeah, 86, we'll just clip it in. Actually, if you don't mind, I'll just this is a quick wipe. That pops in and just clips in like this. I want it to actually point straight down this way, so it's hard to explain right now, but that was actually really tight in there, which is good, I guess. I want to touch it with my fingers and get it smudgy. Remember the door, the courtesy light is at an angle as well. There guys, I had to go off camera for a bit just because I was fiddling around trying to focus it. So there's a little switch that can orientate the direction of the 86 logo. It's a little bit brighter than the standard, obviously not being red anymore. If you hold this one up, which way does it go? This way. But it's pretty much exactly the same except for this. So we'll just see how the water goes with the projector. You can see there it's got the 86. I'll turn off the lights once I finish the other side and we'll see how it looks. Yeah, but you can also orientate this too, but if you go too far it cuts off the 86 logo. So where it is seems to be a happy medium. So I'll just leave it and live with it for a little while. If it's, yeah, if I don't like it I can always pop these ones back on. So I'll pop these in the factory box. But that's it. Cheers guys. I'll post the picture thing in a minute. Cheers. Before I go too, that's how it looks here on the ground. The 86 logo, it's quite nice. It's quite defined as well, it's not blurry. Yeah, just a fun little thing. Alright guys, I'll start it. Oh, no. Okay, that's just the door turning off, no dramas. Alrighty, cheers. Just thought I'd show you guys too what it looks like out in the broad daylight here. Yeah, if I didn't really point it out, I don't think you could actually see it. Yeah, that's a nice surprise for the evening. Anyway, just gotta go finish putting these seals back on. Cheers. Okay guys, number 2. Just basically push up on these, it seems to be the best way. Actually no, it's this side. It's the unit direction. You see the harness is far tighter on this one, so it's not as fun to remove. Doing right now is just focusing the 86 logo. Obviously it's really bright out here, but the logo is working, which is what I wanted. So yeah, just push it in. The battery's like, yeah. So I'll pop it in and I'll show you what it is in the darkness in a sec. Just want to finish this cleaning now that I've seen how dirty it is, but yeah, that actually looks pretty good. Again, I'll live with it. If I don't like it, I'll take it off. Okay guys, so we're out here in the garage, trying to find the door handle. And there you have it, 86. Pop this in here while I'm doing the sills now. They just get your fingernails underneath and just pull it up. It's as simple as that. If you've got fingernails, see. And I'm glad to I did. The sill's relatively clean. So I want to go clean that. Okay, so this is the left-hand side, and it just clips back in, hopefully. Side. That makes more sense. Okay, nice and clean underneath as well.